Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the Ferrari 360. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. I really hope you enjoy it. And if you like this kind of content with the Ferrari and 2 AMG Mercedes, it would be great to have you as a subscriber. So in this episode, we're just going to look at the new stance of this car. So as you may know, I've had some problems with the fact that it is really so low to the ground and quite impractical really. A lot of scrapes on the front bumper, and it really makes it very difficult to get in and out of car parks over speed humps and stuff like that. So last week I took it to a Ferrari North Shore service, and they were able to adjust the suspension, which is great, and I'll describe what they did now. So each of the coilovers on the Ferrari 360 are adjustable in the sense that they have got screw mounts for the tops of the springs. So by unscrewing or screwing in that threaded retainer, you can raise or lower the height of the car. Now, the previous owner had pretty much slammed this down low in order to make it look more like a Challenge Stradale, which, while it's nice in itself, does make it incredibly impractical. It was actually rubbing on the underside of the wheel arch. One of the tyres was rubbing on the underside of the wheel arch. Yes, I can feel it here. Fortunately, not too much damage. I decided that the time had come to put it back into a decent stance, you know, more stock. I think I prefer the stock look of the car. Still looks great with the Challenge Stradale wheels, but just makes it a little bit more practical, and I can now get it in and out of my main garage, which is a huge improvement for practicality for my purposes. Still pretty tight over this bump here. It's got a bit of a ridge in the driveway here, which makes it difficult to get in and out, but it now actually clears it. It doesn't scrape at all, which is absolutely fantastic. I'm so glad I can get it back into the garage now without damaging the underside. We're making steps very slowly to bring this car back to stock and to bring it up to the kind of condition I want it to be in. So the next thing we're going to be doing is the front trunk. We're just waiting for those straps to be finished for the front area there. As soon as they're done, we'll go and pick those up and get the front trunk all sorted out as well. So anyway, that's about it for this quick video. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to smash that like. It'd be great to have you as a subscriber. Hit that notification bell. You can follow me on Instagram down here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.